Hi, I'm Andre Jacobs, and I'm a director of the Workplace Wellness Association of Southern Africa. I have an important message that I want to share with you today. On the 20th of March 2025, we're launching WASA with an exciting and impactful webinar to boost workplace wellness and productivity through the wellness wheel. So, how do you formulate your strategy for 2025? Workplace wellness is no longer a nice to have. It's an essential part of your business. This webinar is designed specifically for HR professionals, wellness coordinators, and business leaders. By attending, you'll also have the chance to contribute to an important workplace wellness agenda. And you have the opportunity to network with professionals shaping the future of wellness in the workplace in South Africa. I hope I see you there. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click on the button and register for this fantastic initiative. Be part of shaping the future of workplace wellness in Southern Africa.